welcome back to Cooking into the Kitchen. So today I'll be making Eggs Benedict. What you'll need is 2 pieces of bacon, 2 eggs to go on muffins, and 3 eggs just for the egg yolks, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, an English muffin, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, some chopped parsley, and 175 grams of butter cut into cubes. Turn the pan on, then we'll just spray the pan. Turn on the frying pan of water to boil the eggs, to poach the eggs. So now that it's fully boiled, we add in 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Crack your eggs into your pan. Turn on a small pot that's about 1/4 full of water. Put a lid on and boil. Turn it down so it's fairly simmer. Now it's time to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. Crack the egg against the side of a bowl. Crack in the entire egg. Use your hands to separate the egg whites from the egg yolks. Now you put your bowl on top of the water. Put your egg yolks in. 2 tablespoons of water. Now use a bone whisk to whisk it for about 3 minutes. Now that it's pale and doubled in volume, it's time to add in a cube of butter at a time. As soon as each cube is dissolved, add in the next one. Don't add in the cubes too quickly, otherwise it will curdle. This process will take about 10 minutes. After you've incorporated all the butter, take it off the heat and add in the lemon juice. Now that the English muffin has popped out of the toaster, I'm going to butter it. Now you add on a piece of bacon, and then the egg. Now you drizzle on some Hollandaise sauce. And now garnish with little chopped up parsley. And there you have it,